Hi, I'm Rob Andrus from Allied Brass, and today we're going to work on installing our Rollerless toilet paper holder. This is a toilet paper holder that uses these little pivot pegs to hold on to the roll so you don't have to mess with any spring-loaded rollers or anything else, just like that. Super easy. So, first thing you got to do is decide on where you want to install it. Today we're going to put this right about here. You need a level, so we make sure we install it level. Put it in our location, and we're going to level it up. And it looks like right about there. Get a pencil to make a couple of marks, and there we go. Okay, and just checking. Before. Okay, so there we go. Now, what we need to do is drill a couple of holes. We'll end up needing a 1/4 inch hole if you're going to use the anchors that are provided with the product. Well, you're also welcome to use any anchoring devices that you'd like. So I'm going to use a little drill here to make a pilot hole first on the 2 marks. The reason I make a pilot hole is to just make sure I'm not going to hit any obstructions back there with a big drill. So, there we go. There's that pilot hole, no obstructions. And the other thing that I'm going to do, just to keep the work area a little cleaner, I'm going to get a piece of this painter's tape so we don't hurt the wall surface. I'm going to get a paper towel. Put the piece of tape on the paper towel like that. There we go. And then put that on the wall right below where we're going to drill. So now, I need to change my drill bits. Put in the larger 1/4 inch drill bit. Okay, and now once that's in, the reason I put that there is to catch the dust. Just hold it up like this. It helps catch the dust. Not necessary, it just makes cleanup a little easier. There's one. And there's 2. Now, we'll just take this off the wall. That becomes garbage. And now, I'm just going to get up for a second here, and I need to get my hollow wall anchors and my screws. Here we go. So the hollow wall anchors, you just push them right into place. If you need to, you can take a little soft hammer or the back of your screwdriver, just give them a little tap tap, not too much because you don't want to crush it. So now once that's ready, we're pretty much ready to put this thing in. I'm going to get up real close here so you can see how it works. So the screws, they go right through the hole in the toilet paper holder. Now on the front end of the screw, we put it through this little bushing. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get it real close. That little bushing right there. So the purpose of that is so that after we install it, we can screw on a nice little decorative cap to make it look pretty, so we don't have to look at that screw. Alright, so now we need the toilet paper holder. You have to make sure the pegs aren't like that. Whoops. Let me get back into the frame here. Alright, we don't want the pegs to be like that because then it wouldn't work. Alright, let me get the drill out of the way. We need the pegs to be like that so they're horizontal. Okay, so now there's the first screw. That is right there. Let me get my screwdriver, which is right here. Right there. And here we go. Now, we'll just tighten these guys up. Alright, I'm hoping you can see good enough. And there we go, make it tight. Don't want to over tighten because then you'll spin the anchor. But again, you may be using your own anchor style or a wood screw if you're going into a stud. Whatever works best for you. So now we take the two little decorative caps. We thread those onto those little bushings. Got it there. And that's it. It is now installed. And that's how easy it is. Look how fast, on and off, just like that. All right, thank you very much and look forward to our next video.